Are you ready to revolutionize your garage? Get ready as we unveil 10 game-changing inventions that will transform the way you work on your car. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of automotive innovation as I present to you 10 incredible inventions for your garage. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply enjoy working on your vehicle, these tools and gadgets are designed to make your life easier and boost efficiency. Get ready to discover some game-changing devices that will take your garage to the next level. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Febi Joint Ply Tester. This must-have tool is essential for anyone who works on cars. This is a remarkable tool designed to assess the condition of your CV joints with ease and precision. When working on cars, it is crucial to determine if the CV joints are in good shape, as they play a vital role in transmitting power to the wheels. This tester simplifies the process by allowing you to insert the tool into the joint and effortlessly turn the handle. If the tool spins freely, you can rest assured that the joint is in good condition. However, if it encounters resistance, it indicates a faulty joint that requires attention. With the Febi Joint Ply Tester, you can swiftly diagnose CV joint issues, ensuring your car's optimal performance and safety. Number 9. Mini Ductor. This small handheld vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning up messes in your garage. With its lightweight and user-friendly design, this tool makes cleaning up dirt, dust, oil, and grease a breeze. The Mini Ductor's versatility and portability make it an ideal companion for maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Whether you need to tidy up after a repair job, remove debris from hard-to-reach areas, or simply keep your garage spick and span, the Mini Ductor is up to the task. Say goodbye to tedious cleanup and hello to efficiency with this reliable and convenient cleaning solution for your garage. Number 8. Wheel Slogger. This tool is a game-changer when it comes to diagnosing wheel bearing problems. With its innovative design, this tool helps you quickly and accurately identify faulty wheel bearings. Simply place the wheel slogger against the wheel bearing and it will generate a distinctive noise if the bearing is damaged or worn out. This noise serves as an unmistakable indicator, allowing you to promptly address the issue before it leads to further complications. The wheel slogger provides a convenient and efficient method for assessing the condition of your wheel bearings, enabling you to maintain the safety and performance of your vehicle's wheels with confidence. Number 7. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. The Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool is an essential tool for any car enthusiast or mechanic working on suspension systems. This tool allows you to safely and efficiently compress strut coil springs, a necessary step when replacing struts or shocks. By securely holding the coil spring in place, it prevents potential accidents and injuries that may arise from the spring's sudden release of tension. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly design, the Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool provides peace of mind and ensures a smooth and hassle-free installation process. Say goodbye to the risks and challenges of working with coil springs and embrace the convenience and safety of this indispensable tool. Number 6. Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator. This tool is designed to help you align your car's wheels with precision. This remarkable tool employs laser technology to measure the distance between the wheels and the ground, providing accurate data for wheel alignment adjustments. By ensuring proper wheel alignment, you can enhance tire longevity, improve fuel efficiency, and optimize vehicle handling and performance. The Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator simplifies the alignment process, saving you time and effort. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, this tool is a must-have for car enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike, enabling you to achieve optimal wheel alignment results for a smoother and safer driving experience. Number 5. 3D Wheel Alignment Stand. The 3D Wheel Alignment Stand takes wheel alignment to a whole new level of accuracy and precision. This advanced tool utilizes state-of-the-art 3D camera technology to measure the position of each wheel with incredible detail. By capturing three-dimensional data, it allows for precise adjustments, ensuring perfect wheel alignment. The information obtained from the 3D wheel alignment stand enables you to optimize tire wear, enhance vehicle stability, and improve overall driving performance. With its sophisticated camera system and intuitive software, this tool provides real-time visual feedback, making the alignment process efficient and effective. Upgrade your wheel alignment process with the 3D wheel alignment stand and experience unparalleled results for your vehicle. Number 4. Laser Tools CV Bootgun. This handy tool makes installing CV boots a breeze. It utilizes a laser to heat the CV boot, making it more pliable and easier to install onto the joint. With precise and controlled heating, the CV Bootgun ensures a proper fit and prevents damage to the boot during installation. By streamlining the process, it saves you time and effort, eliminating the need for complicated manual stretching or lubrication techniques. The Laser Tools CV Bootgun is a game changer for anyone working on CV joint maintenance, offering efficiency, accuracy, and professional-grade results. Number 3. Carbench UL300. This heavy-duty workbench is an ideal addition to any garage. It is a heavy-duty workbench designed to meet the demands of your garage projects. Constructed from solid steel, this robust workbench provides exceptional strength and durability, capable of supporting up to 3,000 pounds of weight. With its spacious surface area, it offers ample room for working on various automotive tasks, from repairs to assembly. The Carbench UL300 ensures stability and security, providing a reliable workspace for your projects. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this workbench is an essential addition to your garage, offering a sturdy foundation to enhance your productivity and efficiency. Number 2. Blucave Storage System. If you're tired of a cluttered garage, this system is a game changer. This allows you to organize your tools and supplies in the garage. This innovative system utilizes clear plastic bins that provide excellent visibility, allowing you to easily locate and access your tools when needed. The modular design of the Blucave storage system enables you to customize and expand the storage capacity according to your requirements. With its sturdy construction and versatile mounting options, you can optimize your garage space and keep your tools neatly arranged. Number 1. WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. Last but not least, we have the WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. This powerful tool utilizes a high-pressure water jet to clear away stubborn clogs effectively. With its robust construction and adjustable nozzle, the WDT 250 can tackle various drain sizes and types. Whether it's removing dirt, debris, or even tree roots, this tool delivers exceptional cleaning performance. By eliminating clogs and restoring proper drainage, the WDT 250 ensures a functional and efficient garage environment. Say goodbye to frustrating drain blockages and welcome a hassle-free experience with the WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. That concludes our showcase of 10 amazing inventions for your garage. I hope you found these tools and gadgets inspiring and useful for your automotive endeavors. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for future videos packed with tips, reviews, and innovative ideas. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep creating and exploring.